a tiny product again. It looks scratched.
Why?
Hi gorgeous, how are you? I have here the new Sephora advent calendar. I decided to buy it so you don't have to. This is one of my least favorite advent calendars every year. It seems like it is getting worse and worse. And the price of it is $49. We have 24 surprises, you know. On the packaging it says, "The future is yours." That's a very big promise. The design is not super Christmassy. It reminds me more the 70s. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. And this is how it looks inside. We have a lot of boxes. I have some cards. Oh, it is the box. Okay. It's super adorable, but it's not Christmassy. Do you agree? And door number 1 has earth on it. It says, "It's in the eyes."
What is in the eyes?
Is this a clue about the product? Oh, maybe it is a single eyeshadow. Every year we have. Oh, it's a mascara, so maybe it is actually a clue. And this is the Big by Definition mascara, and it is by the brand of Sephora. All of the products are from the Sephora collection brand. This one is in ultra black. Let's see the spoolie. It is a fiber brush, a very typical shape, and we have started with one mini.
You didn't start very well.
Let's go to door number 2. It has a little heart. It is almost full. Maybe it is a face mask. Let's find out what it is. Ta-da! It's not what I thought. And these are the hydrating cleansing wipes. We have 10 wipes, so this is again a mini product. It doesn't say if you can remove makeup. And here we have door number 3. It's super cute. I think it is a liquid eyeliner or maybe a creamy eyeshadow. I'm not gonna read the clues because I want to find it by myself. Wrong again. This one is a clear nail polish. We have seen it again in a lot of Sephora advent calendars. Following that, door number 4.
It doesn't move. It doesn't move.
Maybe it's a sponge. Yeah. Let's see. Whoop. And this one is the cucumber eye masks, soothing and debuffing. We have 1 pair of eye patches here. Moving on to door number 5.
What can it be?
Oh, I'm gonna say the single shower gels. We have them almost every year. I'm wrong. Yes! And this is a skincare product. It is the All Day Hydrator. And we have 10 milliliters. Maybe you can use it for a week. We're getting this product every year as well. Here we have door number 6. I don't hear anything. Why? I don't know. Maybe it is a coupon. Oh, it was stuck. Okay. And this is the lip liner to go in the shade 3 Classic Red. I already have it. I'm back. I'm going to swatch this one. I just don't like that we have it for years in the advent calendars, and it is always a mini. You never get a full size. It has a very nice blendable formula and also color payoff. Door number 7. It's so cute with this daisy. Nail file. It's very lightweight. I don't want it to be a nail file, but no, we have them again. So this is a bubble bath and shower gel. We have only 1 capsule, and this is in cotton flower. So the full size contains 200 milliliters and it retails for $9, and the capsule contains 7.9 milliliters. This is so cheapish. Maybe you can use it 2 times instead of once.
I'm losing my faith.
And the next, door number 8.
Oh boy.
I don't hear anything. It is a sheet mask. It's not. So we have a beauty sponge, and last year we also had this in yellow, and this is the first full-size product. Door number 9. Maybe it is another shower gel capsule. No. And this one is a clean skin gel, and this one contains 15 milliliters. You can use it maybe 2 weeks. And door number 10 has the prettiest daisy ever. I think it is another nail polish, most probably red, because we always get a clear and a red. Oh, it's not. Okay. So we have a gua sha, and we also had this last year. It looks scratched.
Why?
I deserve a newly one. I like this holographic effect. It is very aesthetic, but it is scratched. After that, door 11. It is soundless.
What can it be?
A nose mask. A nose mask. I'm right. And this is the charcoal nose strip. It is a blackhead remover. Another single-use product. Next we have door number 12. Oh, it's heavier. It's a nail polish. Red. I say red. I'm wrong. But I found the product. And this one is the Color Hit nail polish in the shade... What is the shade? The letters are so small. Strawberry Macaroon. You can use it for a French nails manicure. Then we have door 13. I'm gonna say a mini nail file. How do we open this? Oh, wrong side. Oh boy, we have one more. Should I cry? Should I laugh? And this one is a bubble bath and shower gel in the scent Monoi. Every year we're getting these two scents for some reason. Door 14 says good vibes only. I'm trying, okay? But you're making me disappointed. Ta-da! This one is the matcha tea face mask. It is mattifying and clarifying. The variety so far is so similar with last year's. Door 15. I know what it is. It is the red liquid lipstick that we have every year. Alright! And this one is the cream lip stain in the shade 1. It has a very nice formula. We're just getting every year the same shade. At least this one is a full size. And let's continue with the shade 16. Shade box door. I know what it is. It is the bath bomb. Those little stars. Yeah. It's not. So we have here a super tiny mirror. The design is adorable. It is exactly the same with the packaging. You can't really use it. It's so confusing, even if you have your hand very far away.
I'm furious.
Door 17. Lip mask. We always have masks for everything. Am I right? Yup! This one is the cherry lip mask with 95% natural ingredients. And here we have door 18.
Oh boy.
I have no clue this time. And this is exactly the design of the packaging. It's a very cheapish hair tie. It smells a little bit. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. 19. Here it is. It is a smaller one. It sounds like a nail polish. It's gonna be a red one. We always get these 3 nail polishes, oh boy! And this one is the Color Hit nail lacquer in the shade Cherry Popsicle. We're getting this every year. Door 20. It sounds like a sheet mask again. Or a mask.
Oh no!
And we have 2 nail files. Is this a mistake? Did everyone get 2 of them? That's weird. It's not like they want us to have a lot of products. Let's continue with door 21. It says Sephora. I thought it was a kiwi. It doesn't move. It is a sheet mask. I'm right. This is a caffeine eye masks. Okay, I want to use it today. My eyes are feeling drier than usual. Door 22. Oh boy. I'm gonna say a sharpener. I have no other ideas. Oh no, a tiny product again! It says brightening eye cream. We have just 5 milliliters. This actually looks like a sample. And door 23. It doesn't move. It is soundless.
Odorless.
I'm gonna say a nose mask. Oh boy, what are these? We have glitter. Who needs glitter? in this advent calendar. These are self-adhesive stickers. What can we do? Door 24. I'm gonna say a brow pencil. Oh, it's gonna be an eye pencil, the small one. Right. For the first time in years, we're getting a full-size eye pencil. And this one is the Sephora 12-hour colorful contour eye pencil. Can I open it? Oh, what happened? Ooh, it's very creamy, very nice. This year I didn't even like the packaging because it's not Christmassy at all. It reminds me of Carnival. The product variety was very similar to last year's advent calendar, and it is even worse, so I'm gonna give this advent calendar 1 star. It's the first time that I'm giving 1 star. I always like the packaging. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!